In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the white cursor issue when writing in Google Docs. This is a very annoying bug that can sometimes happen, and it means that it's difficult to see your cursor when writing in Google Docs. Now, what we want to do is open the search bar and type in settings. On the left, click Bluetooth and devices, and then head down to mouse. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and click additional mouse settings. With the mouse property window now open, click at the very top, click pointer option, and then turn off hide pointer while typing, and then press apply. The next thing we can do is head on to the left tab from here, which is just pointers. And here you want to find text select. So highlight that and then click browse. And here you're able to select a different beam, as they call it, icon to make it a lot easier to see where your cursor is over text as well. So both of these combined should make it super simple to see where your cursor is when you're in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.